A short course is not the same thing as a workshop. A workshop has specific dates, it is a number of different attendees, whereas a short course, you are the only participant, which means that we can organize it over flexible dates to suit you. I think a lot of places use the terms workshops and short courses synonymously, but they're not really the same thing. Short courses were invented by some guy with two thumbs. There's several advantages of taking a short course over a workshop. One of them being we can sit down and have a friendly, informal chat about what your specific goals are. You will be working with other students who are doing the full-time program or part-time study, and they offer a very great, friendly, supportive environment, but our tuition will be focused simply one-to-one. Let's run through a list of the short courses that you might like to do. The first one is our Classical Academic Drawing course. This course is suited for beginners, it's suited for advanced painters alike. What it will do is provide you the fundamental skills, the observation, the knowledge of light and form, so that when you understand what you can see, that helps you to invent. So whether you're a digital artist, a tattoo artist, all of these fundamental principles are the same. We're going to look into how to use your tonal values from light to dark to create three-dimensional illusion in your work. When you understand these things, it opens the door to being able to apply those concepts to your own creative endeavors. Then we have our In the Studios of the Old Masters short course. Again, this is not a workshop. This is a course that's designed to suit the dates that work best for you. It's a 7-day course, and during this course, we're going to be working through an indirect painting method, or looking at the different layers that were used by the painting masters of old. You can implement or ignore as much of this information as you like, but what it will do is give you insight into a start to finish process. It will also teach you to make a strong painting that won't crack, so we're looking at archival qualities within your painting. The goal here is not to reinvent art from the past. It's to take the knowledge and skill from these old painters and be able to incorporate that into your unique vision. It's really learning how to stand on the shoulders of giants so that we can make sure we're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We are just going to give you the information, and you can take or leave as much of that information as you like and bring you closer to your unique vision as an artist. Our color mixing short course, we vary that quite a bit depending on what your background is. If you're an absolute novice, then we're going to take you right to the beginning. We tend to work with the Munsell system, which consists of hue, value, and chroma. These are the three principles that if we get our head around those, we can mix and match any color. We're going to talk about how to organize your palette, because if you organize your palette, you have much more control of the end product. You are in absolute control of your palette while you're painting. If you're an experienced painter, then we might get right into the really in-depth theory of color, but that will depend on you. We'll have a chat about that prior to you starting the course. And then we have concepts of portrait drawing. In this course, we're going to cover how to get a likeness, how to light your subject, and look at the structural information of the head itself. All of these things are tools that you can use to bring into your portrait drawing so you can approach it with a certain amount of knowledge that will give you a head start with what is the most daunting subject a person can draw. Just as our dates for our short courses are flexible, our teaching is flexible as well. Everyone who walks through our doors has a different learning system, which means that we can tailor things to suit you the best. If we have an idea of what your destination is, we can help you find the path to that goal. So here's what I sincerely believe. Every one of you has a masterpiece inside you. It's like an unpolished diamond. Every one of you has something expressive to say. Let us help you unwrap those skills. I'm Ewan McNaughton, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.